the biggest thing that I can say, and I know Nessa's been saying it as well, and you guys have heard it on my channel over and over and over again. A lot of the things that you guys are looking for to take your trading to the next level, you already have. You already have. Like literally, the strategies, the basics, even when it comes to support and resistance. I know a lot of people are confused. Like when it comes to support and resistance, you know it. You're just hitting the charts. And when you lose a trade, you're questioning yourself. And then you're thinking to yourself, oh, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let me go back and change something up or find a new strategy or, find a different technique. And in all reality, if you just stay consistent and doing what it is that you're doing, you would make so much. Your life would absolutely change. Even if you don't make the millions, you would make more than what you're making right now, right? You'd be enough to quit your job.
Oh, yeah. I agree. So another thing that was on my mind the entire time in this journey is simply this, right? Most people are going to start off making $10, $20, $30 a day. Mm-hmm. But if you can make any kind of profit in a day, it's still a profit. Okay? So check this out. If you can make a $10 trade, eventually you can make a $30 trade. Eventually you can make a $50 trade, a $100 trade. It's going to start at the small levels. Now here we go. Here's the math, okay? If you make $100 a day trading, that's $36,500 a year. That's a full-time income, okay? If you make $200 a day, all right, you can do the math. That's $72,000, $73,000 a year. Think with me, guys. All you have to do is be consistent. Mm-hmm. If you can make $300 a day, or scratch that, $275 a day, right, for 365 days, that's 6 figures. And eventually, if you could do that, you stay persistent enough, really be an OG in this and make this a 5-year, 10-year, actually make it a 10-year commitment, right? Eventually, you'll start scoring 4-figure days.
Yep. I think that's the biggest problem, not to cut you off. I think that's the biggest problem is that people come in and they want to have the 4-figure days in their first few months.
Yeah.
They don't even make that in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks at their job, but they want to do it here in a day.
Right. So look, there's 2 ways to go about this, right? Either you put up more money so you can take these trades so you can have those 4-figure days, right? Or put in the sweat. Mm-hmm. So you can either put in the sweat equity, right? Or put up more capital. I feel just like a rock star.